AWS Migration Hub is a powerful service from Amazon Web Services that helps organizations manage their journey to the cloud. It provides centralized tracking and orchestration capabilities for cloud migrations, making the complex process of moving applications and data to AWS much more manageable and transparent. AWS Migration Hub is a centralized service that provides a single location to track and manage application migrations across multiple AWS and partner solutions. Think of it as your migration command center, where you can monitor all your migration activities from one unified dashboard. Instead of juggling multiple tools and interfaces, Migration Hub brings everything together, giving you complete visibility across your entire migration portfolio. Migration Hub offers 4 key features that make cloud migration easier. First, migration tracking allows you to monitor the progress of applications and servers across AWS regions. Second, tool integration ensures that Migration Hub works seamlessly with AWS services and partner migration tools. Third, status updates provide real-time visibility into migration status and metrics, so you always know where things stand. Finally, resource grouping lets you organize servers and applications into logical groups, making it easier to manage complex migrations with multiple components. Migration Hub consists of 3 core components. Discovery helps you identify and collect data about your on-premises resources, giving you a clear picture of what needs to be migrated. Orchestrator automates migration workflows using pre-built templates, reducing manual effort and potential errors. Strategy helps you plan your migration strategy and assess your application portfolios, ensuring you choose the right approach for each workload. These components work together to provide an end-to-end migration solution. Migration Hub Orchestrator is a game-changing feature that automates and simplifies migration workflows using customizable templates. It offers pre-built workflow templates based on AWS best practices, which you can customize to fit your specific needs. The orchestrator handles automated task execution, eliminating error-prone manual steps. It also provides end-to-end progress tracking, so you can see exactly where each migration stands at any point in time. This automation significantly reduces the time and complexity involved in cloud migrations. Migration Hub integrates with several AWS migration tools to provide comprehensive migration capabilities. AWS Application Migration Service enables lift-and-shift migrations for applications, moving them to the cloud with minimal changes. AWS Database Migration Service helps migrate databases to AWS with minimal downtime, keeping your systems running during the transition. AWS Server Migration Service automates server migration to AWS, handling the technical complexities. Cloud Endure Migration provides continuous replication for workload migration, ensuring data consistency throughout the process. A typical migration using Migration Hub follows 4 key phases. First, the discover phase, where you identify resources and dependencies in your on-premises environment. Second, the plan phase, where you define your migration strategy and group applications logically. Third, the migrate phase, where you execute the migration using integrated tools and orchestrated workflows. Finally, the track phase, where you monitor progress and status continuously until migration is complete. This structured approach ensures nothing is overlooked during the migration process. One of Migration Hub's greatest strengths is its ability to provide real-time visibility into migration progress across all tools and services. You can track migration status to see which applications and servers have been migrated and which are still in progress. Time tracking helps you understand how long migrations are taking and identify any bottlenecks. Resource updates keep you informed about changes to your migrating resources in real time. This comprehensive monitoring ensures you always have complete control and visibility over your migration projects. Migration Hub delivers 4 major benefits to organizations migrating to AWS. Centralized visibility provides a single dashboard for all migration activities, eliminating the need to check multiple tools. Simplified management reduces complexity by integrating all migration tools in one place. Faster migrations are achieved through automated workflows that accelerate migration timelines significantly. Cost optimization results from better planning and resource management, which helps reduce overall migration costs. These benefits make Migration Hub an essential tool for any organization planning a cloud migration. Getting started with Migration Hub involves 5 straightforward steps. First, set up AWS Migration Hub in your home region, which serves as your migration command center. Second, connect your migration tools and discover resources in your on-premises environment. Third, group applications together and define your migration strategy for each group. Fourth, create workflows using Orchestrator templates that match your migration requirements. Finally, monitor progress through the unified dashboard, tracking each migration from start to finish. Following these steps will help you leverage the full power of Migration Hub for your cloud migration journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.